Hi guys, hope you are all well. So after so many days we are shooting a video, and today we are going to see about the video related to the how to create a AI agent within 10 seconds. Yes, you heard it right. And this AI agent, you no need to create a separate things like separate chat, separate AI triggers, and a separate integration. You no need to create entire thing in the separate way. You just give the conversation like how you are creating a content or creating an image, video, or generating the content through the LLMs like ChatGPT, Perplexity, kind of things. So same kind of way you can create a AI agent for your business as well as yourself, your personal usage. You can create it. So I'm going to explain about how I created my AI agent for my business, and it is related to my automotive YouTube channel called Mechanic Tamilan. So there I used to post related to automotive contents, and my subscribers wanted to consult with me regarding their vehicle purchases. So this AI agent acts as a bridge between me and my subscribers, and the subscribers able to book an appointment with me regarding whenever I was available. So those days only they can able to book the appointments, and this agent will send and report to me regarding how the customers and what are the customers they booked an appointment. So this entire thing we are creating, just giving the conversation with the AI, and it will generate the agent for us. So let's get into the video. So first I'm opening the Google. So here I'm going to create a AI agent in the AI library, which is a platform which they offers this. So once you scroll down, yes, this is first login. I have already account, so just continue with Google. Yes, this is my channel name. I am creating an agent for this channel only. So yes, this is a VLM Wale. Right now I am studying my masters in the IMC. I am Calcutta, and it is I am right now in IIT Kanpur. It is a tri-institute course. So I have created the admission one for my college. So this one also I will explain in this video how I created. And now we are going to create a new agent. So here it is showing conversation instructions. So you are just creating a conversation. You are just giving the conversation with the AI agent. It will create the proper agent. So I am going to give the conversation with the help of ChatGPT. Why I no need to type so many things in a proper way. So my work will be done by ChatGPT. So I just give the things. I am going to create agent A in a library, and by giving the conversation. So lot of typo errors there, you don't need to consider. And the AI agent for my YouTube channel, the agent should ask with the subscribers regarding their consulting appointment evening 4 p.m. Yes, I just go the basic one. Yes, it gives a proper one. I just copy paste it. I'm just checking like it is a Saturday, Sunday, 8 a.m. Create your appointment call, menu the latest video. Yes, it is creating, it is giving my content also. So now I just pasting it into the conversation one, create an agent. So just counting, let's see the timing, 15:07. Yes, tada! It created the agent. Ravi from Tamil. Yes, it is a name we have to change. Entire thing we have to change. One by one we'll add it. So here you can see the conversations and all, chat, and so it took the name Ravi. So you can change the name by, you can add the knowledge source and all. So I will add one by one, and you can add the team owner also. First, knowledge source, my channel, YouTube channel. 1 minute. Yes, this is my YouTube channel, and I just add a web. Yes, I got the conversation, I got my YouTube channel link. I'm adding one by one. So these are all my videos, my recent videos and last videos. I'm adding just one by one whatever the contents, and just refreshing it. Yes, here it is showing, and I can configure, I can name, I am changing the AI, means my RAMS agent. So AI agent for mechanic thumbnail retest gathers topic. So it is what this AI agent is doing for mine, and I am going to change the logo. So this is my channel name, channel logo. Yes. So in that conversation you can add whatever you want, means how the conversation should be like this, and what is the greeting message, the initial message, how your customer should receive. So those message you can add based on your customization, and the background image also you can add, like how the chat box and chat images should be shown. So those image also you can add by your own self. So I no need to do anything now, as of now. So you can do by text voice agent also, and in that agent details also is there. So now I'm going to test in the chat phase. Yes, once I open, so my customer will see the agent will be like this, and here they just hi. Yes, what do you like to discuss today? It's about cars, bikes, or something else. Bikes. Wait, what is your budget of the bike? 2 lakh. Sorry, I gave 20 lakh. Okay, anything it took. And it is telling like Saturday, Sunday between 8 AM to 4 PM. Okay, Saturday 12 PM. Your slot are confirmed. I will send you the link shortly. Also check the YouTube channel link. Okay. No. Yes, it is booked the slot, and it is reminded to us. Now we will checking into the conversations. Yes, you can find it here, like what the customer want, budget 20 lakhs, bike. So everything uploaded in the conversation, and we can integrate with a Google Sheet as well as a WhatsApp. So whenever the customer book their slot, we can get the notification through the Google Sheet and WhatsApp. Okay, this is the AI agent I created for my YouTube channel, and you can see the entire overview, like how many messages you responded, your AI agent responded, and how much time it is engaged with your customers, and you can see entire thing in the overview button. And now I am explaining about one more agent I have created for my college admission team. So yes, these are all the agent I have created. This is all the same, but RAMS agent I have recently created, as you know, and now VLM wallet. So this what I gave means I just take the IIMC PGPX VLM. This page link, as well as see the knowledge source. So I gave the entire thing in the pages as well as the document, the last year admission brochure, so that the AI agent will react it quickly through customers what they want. The admission brochure, whenever the students wanted to enquire with the admission team, so those people they wanted to chat like what is the admission criteria, what is the eligibility, how many days we can apply, and anything related to the admission they can easily chat with those AI agent. So I have created that one only, and it is available in the regional language also, and I have changed the entire background also. Here I just put hi. So it is recommending whatever we want related to the particular matter and particular business. It is good. How can I help you? I want to know eligible criteria of PGPX VLM. So this is a testing one. I can able to edit this. 1 minute. So this is giving the how can it is not finishing this entire thing. I just add the chat conversation, agent detail, chat. I'm here to help you. Background, prompt chains. So whatever the prompt chain you want to give, you can easily give it to here, and the data fields also you can. I have integrated everything, and this also we can add it to our we can embed the chat on your website. So in that way you can add this chat box or AI agent to your website, or else through the WhatsApp business. So this is a video, so that's it. We are ending the video, and I can try it so many times, and I have show you the conversation. So these are all the conversations I made it, and it can easily recognize the other language like Hindi or Tamil, other regional language also it can able to recognize this agent. It is so helpful for your customer and the client engagement also. This way you can create a AI agent for your business and for yourself. So that's it, the video. So if this video is very much useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.